Okay, so for differentiation, all we do when we have differentiation of a series of terms is we run along the row and differentiate term by term. So that's how differentiation works in practice. So the first one, remember 5 lots of, and it's a scalar multiple, so we just scale everything up with differentiation. So it's just 5 lots of what this differentiates to. So the 10 comes down to be with the 5 to make 50. X to the 1 less than 10, which is 9. So that's the first one. Plus, differentiate the next one, the 6 comes down to be with the 7 to make 42. 7 6s are 42. X lots of 1 less than 6 is 5. Next one, the 3 comes down to be with the 4 to make 12 with a minus. X to the 1 less than 3, which is 2. Then 9x. Remember we had the rule for what x differentiates to? It differentiates to 1 on the preceding example. You could just use the power rule, mind. The 1 comes down to be with the 9. X, the 1 less than 1, which is 0. But that, we just did that. X and 0 is 1, 9 1s are 9. So I'm not going to do that again. That's part of our standard rules now, that x differentiates to 1. So it's 9 lots of 1, which is 9. Minus 10, any constant differentiates to 0. So that'd be minus 0. And we don't need to put minus 0 in at the end. So here's our table of derivatives that we're using. Here's y, here's the y dx. So let me put them down for you. We had x to the n is nx to the n minus 1. Constant goes to 0. Any constant goes to 0, which we did. And then x on it, and x to the power 1, we worked out that differentiated to 1. It's a simplified case of special case of this, which is easy to just write down 1. Okay, good. Okay, then let's just finish off this example. If we wanted to find the derivative, then dy dx at x equals minus 1 then. So we'd write at x equals minus 1 dy dx. And then we input minus 1 as the x value. So minus 1 to the 9. Minus 1 to the 5. Minus 12 minus 1 squared plus 9. It was minus 0, but we're not going to put minus 0 in. An odd power of minus 1 is minus, so that's minus 50. Odd power of minus is a minus, so that's minus 42. Here's an even power, that's plus. Plus times a minus is a minus. Plus the 9 at the end. Minus 92. And this is minus 3, so it's minus 95. Tap it in the calculator if you need to.